As you know, Instagram lets you save posts or reels on your account so you can go back to them later. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can find them and tell you a couple of tips about saving posts. Let's say I open my Instagram and I see this post and I really like it and I want to save it. So what I do, if I tap on this little icon here, it will save it to like all the saved posts, but I can also save it to one of the collections that I have already created, or maybe it doesn't belong to any of these collections. So here I tap on new collection and I give it a name. And as you can see here, it says add people to collection. So maybe I can share this collection of saved posts with one of my friends. So I name it Rave, for example, and here I want to add people to my collection, so maybe I search for my friend's name and I tap done. And as you can see, any posts that I save to this collection in the future, they will be automatically shared with my friend. Let me show you a different one. I'm going to tap save. Here it said something went wrong, so I'm just going to try again. Well, now it works. And let's say I see this one and also I want to save it to the same collection which I shared with my friend. Just trying to find it here. So if I tap on this little plus icon, it will be saved to that. Now it says save to Rave chat. If I tap on chat, it will take me straight to my direct messages with my friend. As you can see, both these posts are shared with my friend in our direct messages. Now, if I want to find all of the posts that I have saved before, all I have to do is head over to settings. As you can see here, it says saved. I'm going to tap on that. And here I have access to all the posts that I have saved. Here it says all posts, Rave, Nepal, new collection. So as you can see, I can make different collections and I can save posts to them easily. And here I can find them. And let's say I want to maybe remove a post from the post that I have saved. So I'm just going to tap on that. And by tapping on this and tapping one more time, it's going to unsave it. Now it says unsaving this post will also remove it from any collection. So if I tap on unsave, not only it will not be saved anymore, it will also be removed from any collection that this post was saved to. But let's say maybe I saved it to a collection by mistake. So what I do, I tap on save. And here I choose this collection and now I regret it. What I do is I hold this icon and if I only tap in front of the collection that I don't want it to be a part of, then that way, as you can see, this post is still in my saved collections, but it's not in that specific collection anymore. So where I can find it in all posts. So as you can see, in my Rave collection, that post is not there anymore. If I go back and if I tap on all posts, I can still see it and I can have interactions with it. Maybe I can like it or repost it or not. Hope this helps and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.